Hello, this is Jim and we're back with another video, and we've got the TIBO 2.1 powered Bluetooth stereo speakers, and in the box we have a powered speaker by one and a passive speaker by one. So we've had to move this out of our typical environment due to the size it is, and we are in our gaming area. So on this, the TIBO Plus 2.1 powered speakers are all you need: 2 speakers, 1 remote and audio sources. If music is a thing, these are the speakers for you, and full flexible Wi-Fi system. Just connect, plug and play. On the back then, or on the side, it gives us some images here of the inputs and so on. And the features are 35 watts, your Bluetooth and so on, your remote control and the usual aspects. So what we'll do is we will take them out of the package and see what they look like. They feel fairly sturdy anyway. So we're presented with a card first of all, which will show us the TIBO plug 1 range. Then we have a ton of this crap. So that's speaker 1 and speaker 2, and we get our cables here, a remote control which is branded, and we get our plug which is fine. So you have 2 plugs here, so depending on your region you've got both available, which is excellent. And we'll try and get this remote out. So we've also got our wired cable here should you need it, your aux cable. Here's the remote control here, which is pretty simple to use, and you also get some batteries to get you going and some rubber pods for underneath. So that's pretty cool. Onto the speaker itself. So we'll just remove the plastic from both. So this one here is just a connecting speaker, and the speaker where all the action is this one here. But on the hardware side of things, they look really nice, and we've got a metal gauze on top here, and same here on the top again, and the TIBO branding here, and it's nice, really solid wood, well built materials indeed. So on the back, this is where all the action happens here. So you can connect this to a speaker system as well, an existing one, with these outputs here and inputs. You have a volume toggle here, you have Optic Cable here, so you have Optic at home, even better, so that's cool. Your sub out, your line in, left and right RCAs, and your main powers here, and we have our mains switch here. And again, this is all quality material, this isn't cheap crap, and looks really well and stable. We have the little pods obviously to go on the bottom, depending on where you're setting them up. But as I said, it's not just particularly Bluetooth. You can plug them into an existing system or use them as a standalone system, and plug them in that way, or whatever your situation is at home. So for me, I'm just going to use them as a standalone, as I've already other systems set up here, so to try them on their own, to give them their own sound and see what the sound stage like on them, and that's really it. So stay tuned. Up next we will have a demo of these, and we can see how good they do sound. And just a quick another look at that remote to see what the options are. So we have some features here. You have your power on and off, mute, up and down volume, and the usual you'd expect to find, and the LED light and your infrared port on top. And that's really it. So after the break, we'll give you a sound demo. Okay, this is Jim back, and we're going to do some sound tests. First of all, connected via Bluetooth through phone, and then through optical through TV. So here is our remote control, as I explained earlier on. This is our source button here, so we can use that to change source. And these are our skip, pause, tracks, and so on. This is our mode select, which is your sound preferences like rock, pop, and so on.
Pop, neutral, classical, rock.
So it's pretty simple there. We have this button here on the left, which is an unpair from Bluetooth, and we've done our mute and volumes, and then so on down here. So first of all, I'm going to give you a sound track through the speakers from our phone.
Pop, neutral, classical.
So as you can hear, using Bluetooth is it's actually damn loud and really good sound, and they're not tinny or anything like that. So the next section now will be going through the optics cable. So on the remote, when you're changing through modes, you can get voice prompts again, which is excellent.
Bluetooth mode. Optical mode. Line in mode. RCA mode. Bluetooth mode. Optical mode.
So we're going to stay with optical this time. So now we're in YouTube, for example, through the TV, and you get these cool sounds when you are selecting items from your channel, like so if you're scrolling, which is pretty excellent. So I'm going to scroll up and take one of our recent videos with some sound in it, so YouTube don't send us a lovely little notification as to keep doing it late. Hello, this is Jim from TIBO, and today we have the Nokia 7.1, and what we're going to do is, this morning is just going to do an unboxing and have a quick look at the features on the phone and what's not usual. So the box is the traditional box that we're used to seeing now, with 7.1 Android 1 on the front, and on the back it's going to just give it some specs. The pure display, 5.8 inch, 19.9 aspect ratio, FHD plus, HDR video, 12 and 15 megapixel cameras, Zeiss optics. So there is an example there of what the sound is like. It's pretty loud, pretty cool, and it's spread right around the room. I just have this close here for testing purposes, but the floor rattles with these on, and generally they are excellent, very good, very solid. And again, you can place these anywhere in your room through different setups. You can use your Bluetooth menu, or you can use your Optic Cable, so they don't have to be stuck underneath your TV or anything like that, but we're just doing it here for testing purposes in front of the TV to keep things simple. And yeah, definitely a thumbs up from me, and I'll drop a link below to where you can buy this. And that's the TIBO 2.1 stereo speaker with really great sound, solid piece itself, and they look quite nice too, and they'll just blend in nicely anywhere. Talk to you in the next one.